You published a new vlog on your Google Blogger profile. Automatically, you share that vlog post on your Facebook page as well so that your audience can connect and read the vlog that you have recently posted. Now, adding the post manually is a very time consuming part. What if I tell you this thing can be automated? Let me show you how. I'm going to create a new post on my Google Blogger account in front of you. And then you will see automatically that post will be shared on my Facebook page. So now let me add in the details like the title and the body of this new vlog right now. So this is the title, Natural Ingredients That Help Improve Your Skin, and this is the body. I'm going to publish this vlog from here. As soon as I will publish this post, it will take few minutes for this vlog to be posted on my Facebook page. So I will wait over here for a few minutes and refresh the page in front of you. Okay, so let me wait. So now it's been few minutes. I'm going to refresh my Facebook page from here in front of you. As I've refreshed the page, you will see, yes, a new post is created. It says new vlog alert. We have published a new skincare article, a blog. If I'm going to open this link, you will be forwarded to the same blog, the natural ingredients that help to improve your skin, in front of you. So you can see as now this post has been created automatically on my Facebook page. This is how the setup is going to work. You will create a new vlog on your Google Blogger account. That vlog will be shared as a post on your Facebook page. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the creation of this setup. You can see I've already created the template of this workflow. Now I will show you how you can create the connections and the entire setup will be done. If you want the free template of this workflow just like this, you can check out the workflow link in the description section. Go ahead, create the connections in the similar manner and your work is done. Now over here, we are going to first connect Google Blogger to Pabbly Connect. Select the application as Google Blogger event as new post added. Click on this connect option. Go towards this add new connection section and click on the sign in with Google button. Select the account with the help of which you have created your Google Blogger account from here. And then it is asking for the access of the account, for which I'm going to click on this continue button as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. I have created my vlog ID in the name of my vlog, so I'll select it from here. Status is going to be only status vlog should be captured in the trigger. Now, next you have to click on the save and send test request button, and the last vlog that you've created in your Google Blogger account is going to be captured in this trigger right here. So before that, I will create a new post in front of you and then we'll see the same response has been captured in my trigger or not of that post. So let me enter the title and the body of the vlog. You can see I've entered the title, that is common skincare mistakes you should avoid, and this is the body. I will publish this post from here. Click on this confirm button and a new vlog has been created in front of you. Okay, now if I'm going to go back, click on the save and send test request button. You will see right over here the response has been captured of the same common skincare mistakes you should avoid with the same body, and over here we have received the URL of this vlog as well. You can see this is the URL. So as we have received the response, this means that Google Blogger is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now Google Blogger is an pulling based application. That means over here you can see it says the trigger will check for the new data in 8 hours. Now you can set up this pulling based time according to your requirement. Right click, go towards set trigger time option. I want the trigger time, let's suppose as 2 hours. So I'll select save this step from here. In every 2 hours, my trigger is going to search for the new data in my Google Blogger account, and if there is a new vlog posted, it will be captured in the trigger. Okay, so instantly the response won't be captured. It will be captured according to the trigger time that you have set up. Okay, now after that, we're going to set up our action, that is a Facebook pages create page post. Click on this connect button, go towards this add new connection option and click on this connect with Facebook pages button. This is the account with the help of which I have created my Facebook page. So I'm going to continue with this account from here as well as from here, and you will see in front of you the connection will be created. It was also very easy because I've already logged into my Facebook account on a new tab, so you can also first log in and then create the connection. It will be a very easy process. Now after that, you have to select the page where you want to create the post. So I've created one page in the name of The Magic Makers where I want to post this content. So I'm going to search for the page and select it from the drop down. Next, it is asking for the message, that is the caption I want to post. So for the caption, I want to write new vlog alert. We just published a new skincare article, our vlog. Read now and discover simple tips for healthier glowing skin, with some hashtags. So now this is the caption I want to add, a general caption. And for the URL, I will map the data. add a slash and search for the URL right here. This is the URL that I want to post. I'm going to select the date of this URL from my previous response because this is the vlog that I want to share on my Facebook page. Now, as I've selected this data from my previous response, the data in this field has been mapped. As I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response now will be captured of a new vlog in the previous step, the URL will be updated over here in this mapped data. Click on the Save and Send Test Request button. After that, you are going to receive a response just like this. It will take few seconds for the response to arrive. So you might have to wait over here for a few seconds. So let me show you the response when it's going to load. So you can see this is the response right over here. This is a positive response. And on my Facebook page, if I'll refresh this page from here, as I've refreshed the page, now you can see a new post has been created, new vlog alert. And this is the same vlog that is of common skincare mistakes you should avoid. So as now the post has been created successfully, this means the connection between these two applications is now completed. Now whenever you will post a new vlog on your Google Blogger account, that vlog will be shared on your Facebook page as well to your audience and you can promote it. Now if you have any questions or doubts related to this setup, comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. If you want the free template, check out the workflow link in the description section. Do purchase our plan by using the code that's on the left side of my screen to get instant and amazing discounts on the yearly and lifetime plans of Pabbly Connect. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.